Hello everyone, my name is Bobble Hat Boy and welcome to another Bobble Hat Boy video. In today's video I've got another retro vlog. This one is from February 2020 from the National Railway Museum in York. Enjoy!
Hello everyone, my name is Bobble Hat Boy and today I'm at the York National Railway Museum. Say hello Dr. Eleven. Hello. Say hello. So I'm going to be vlogging today and I hope you enjoy this video. As you can see right there is a train, obviously. There is the Duchess of Hamilton. And then right there is the Mallard. Oh, Hitachi out there. You probably can't see it. It's a double Hitachi. So yeah, this is the Duchess of Hamilton. Lovely train. There is, of course, the Mallard, my favourite. Oh, she broke the speed record. So I'll see you in a minute, guys. So we are now in the North Shed. This is like the maintenance area. You can see down there. There's a lot of maintenance going on, and right here there is actually Sir Nigel Gresley, another A4, which is right there. Yes, in parts. The cab is right there and the tender's over there. Don't know if you can see it. Whoa! There's a thing. There's something down there.
What?
Look, down there. I think that's another rocket.
Oh right, yeah.
And then there are a few diesels at the back. And it's just a really nice experience here at the National Railway Museum. See you in a bit. We're currently outside York Station, and here are Voyagers cross country via Riva. Hi guys down there. Hi. Cross country. As you can probably hear, there's the Dr. 11. Oh, there's one in 30 seconds apparently, guys. So I'll see you then. Hi, there's Transpennine. What he said.
That's
185.
But now we are.
There's the yellow. Yeah, let's go see some more stuff, guys. And up there is obviously all the times.
We've seen another train.
Go. Okay guys, so now we are in the North Shed, and just there is Henry, it says Henry Oakley.
Henry Oakley.
And it's a pretty nice train, but out here, by these Flying Scotsman signs and stuff, there are some trains, and that is a 09 shunter there. Not that clever, I read the sign there. There's also a pickup truck, I think that is. Some wagons and a rusty old cab. So I'm going to go over here into the cab of Henry Oakley.
The cab's huge.
I know. So here is the cab of Henry Oakley. As you can see, there's all the buttons and levers to press. There is the firebox down there that's actually open. Oh, what's through there? Absolutely nothing. That is where you put the coal and stuff. So that is the cab of Henry Oakley. It's quite a nice cab. Very big. Not normally that big, but still. Let's have a look at the back quickly, and then I'll end this section. There you go. Love. It's really nice, actually. So I'll see you in a bit. That's nice. Lock before moving. This cabinet is alarmed. Please use gently. Don't want to use that if it's alarmed. But here's another King George V. Great Western. Really nice, that. And here's a really cool model. So just look at that. So well done, everything here. I really think they've done a good job. more models, and I think we're now going to leave the north shed, I think, after this model, clearly. Holt Junction for Swansea Valley. Everyone, welcome back, and now I'm in the different building, another one over there. We actually had to go under the road to get here, under a bypass. We're now in the station hall, which, to me, this one's, well, obviously it's supposed to be like a railway station, which it is, and it really works. The other one's just like a load of, what is it? A load of trains, obviously, around the turntable. So just like a big engine shed. But this is actually a really nicely themed engine shed. Here you can see Gladstone bricks. No, it's just Gladstone. It looks really nice. I really like it. And then there is a LMS logo over there. Super nice. And I will see you in a bit. So we are now on the York National Railway Museum Miniature Railway. Hello.
Yes, we are. Hello.
It's very cramped. Like, just look at this.
It is, yes, great.
I know, it's a bit cramped, but it doesn't matter. Hello!
Wave, yeah.
Hello people over there, hello, hello, hello.
Hi.
Now let's look over here. There's oh, there's a nice train over there. We saw that earlier, but you weren't on earlier. So, yeah, there's some coaches. And I'll just give you some shots.
Railway, training shed, and we've got like space.
Nice.
And yeah, we're welcome to the railway. Just before we go back inside, we have a little tank engine.
Amazing Doctor 011 commentary over there. But yeah, little tank engine there. It's quite cool. I really do like this this outside area of York. Such a nice area. See you in a bit. So obviously, as you can tell, we just did the miniature railway and it was quite cold. But here we are. We're now going to step foot into this lovely train. There we go. Oop, hello. So, yep, in the cab. It's cool just to like do what actual train drivers, engine drivers and firemen used to do and still do on special days. I'll see you. So it's nearing the end of my day, and here I am back in this building, not the Great Hall, but I'm going to go in to the Pullman. It's really nicely done. Don't know if you can see that, but actually that's a toilet. It's going to be quiet and hope you enjoy. The seats are so comfy. Yesterday I was on the Hitachi Azuma and they are not comfortable. It's quite nice, yeah. Oh, thank you. But like I said, the Azumas on the Hitachi trains aren't very comfy. But this is the letter. So yeah, finally before we end this video, after that post office train, we are here at this really nice diesel train. It is so nice. So I don't know how well this is picking up on the camera because it's not very good at picking up, because also this room is so dark. But here is a LMS diesel as well. I do believe, I don't know, but I think it could go out those doors there that actually lead outside. Well, obviously, how are you going to get them in? But yeah, they go outside, and I think they actually go to the outside railway, which is cool. Currently there's a steamy on there, like I showed earlier. This is obviously the post office. I'll see you in a bit. So guys, we are now in the shop here at the National Railway Museum, and I thought I'll just give you a little tour to see if you do come, if you want to get a little souvenir from your time. So first up, here are some magnets, and oh my gosh, I love them. So there's a Diesel, there's a Eurostar, Celtic, Japanese bullet train, and the Duchess of Hamilton, which is upside down, so I'll just look it upside down. Here are some more National Railway Museum stuff, which are 3 magnets for the price of 2. Pretty good going there, I would say. Here are some postcards. If you guys like to visit and you want to send someone or just keep them as a souvenir. You can also buy this with Celtic, and I'm pretty sure the other side has a bullet train. Yep, and here is the Duchess of Hamilton. And finally, there are some engine driver hats. There are some umbrellas here and a lanyard for £2.50. So I like that. There's obviously all these stuff. Ooh, so this is what the Dr. 11's buying, guys.
Yeah.
Looks good. There are these pencils, more magnets, badges, pens, and all that sort of stuff. Looks really good. All this merch, it's so good. So there's probably going to be that one thing that you guys like to take home. I'm going to finish off. First up, there's the rocket, if you guys like the rocket. One of the first trains, actually. Wasn't the very first, but it was one of the originals. So finally I'm going to end up just going to get it. Okay, so here is a clicker. You can just click it. I actually had one, but it broke. Got to bring it. And finally, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!